course, of Bill Croxon. Then we've got, I think it's the Dobson Elan next through. Elan's Elite, Ely's, and another Marcus or two in the back of the group. Super grid of cars coming down with a quartet, if not five by now. Marcus is leading the pack, Greg.
Right, looking for the number 35.
Yes, back into my sight, this fleet of Marcuses, led by Kelvin New in the golf-coloured car from Dave for the Prio giving chase. The Prio third then is Dave Bennett up to go towards the braking area for Paddock. Dave Bennett looks to the inside, but he's not close enough. Bentley chasing New, still New, then New runs really wide in the curves, and Bentley pounces, gets closer. Turned in very late, then got an early exit, did Dave Methley. Nose was just chopped there. So in 8th is A-List the Diva, 9th is Croxon, 10th is the first of the Elans, and that is Dobson from Parrot. Parrot and Adam Crowton's Elite clinging to the back of that pair of Elans as they come out the back, but no holds barred in this battle between David Methley and Kelvin New.
And I've got them inside Kelvin New and David Methley. These two are dropping Stephen Minapia at the moment, but as you say, they are taking up all the track that's being afforded to them.
Yes, back with us, and still it's Kelvin New just ahead of Dave Methley, about 3 lengths in it. Family from Richardson lost it from Steve Minaprio in the clover-coloured Marcos. He's now quite a long way ahead. The Elan of Mike Tugwell to the Dave Bennett Simon Park. Cobra. There's Peter Ellis, the little Diva. There is Dave Bennett, who's down the moment out the back. He's just ahead now. Right then, two Elans. A much bigger Volvo engine is going to give him the advantage going down Pilgrim's Drop. Leaders with you, Greg.
David Methley is within 1 car length of Kelvin New. He tried, well, he obviously got extra turn of speed going down the Derek Minter straight because he brought himself within 1 car, still going through in 4th place, but the AC Cobra right onto the, I think we could see a change there.
Well, they're back with us, they're absolutely nose to tail, Greg, and it's more than just a simple point. Oh, it's all over the gravel on the outside goes Kelvin New, he's off. He's come back across the track, but he's recovered it brilliantly without managing to go in the pit wall. But Dave Methley was right in his tail as they came through, totally sideways, 90 degrees to the track, fought it back, got it back on. Two of them is 1.44 seconds. Stephen Minaprio, nice line through Paddock, just lap off the race, 1:44.01 that time, more than 0.6 of a second quicker than Kelvin New as well, so he's really been spun on. You can see this now as the gap is coming down. Stephen Minaprio, out of racing for what, 35 years, but has come back and is charging. Is chasing the boss, and there'll be no
going through Westfield, and the 35 car Kelvin New is still got them in his sights. Those three are well on their way. I'm looking for the battle behind.
Kelvin New's fire. Dave Methley over Minaprio as they come past us. Kelvin New dropping back. He had one competitor coming down there into Graham Ben. Close right up onto the aluminium group then.
And it's a lot closer through in tears. Mike Tugwell still very much on his own in 4th place, enjoying the day out in the Elan though.
Parrot and Dobson. one stage. He got in between them at one point. He barely slows. Barely slows the shot.
Sorry, I've got the leaders with me, and they've managed to put a back marker. David Methley has put a back marker. I grab a lift.
Super stuff. Oh, Adam Crowdman comes in so deep into clearways last time in his attempt to take Paul Dobson, but the extra power of the twin cam engine to land takes it away from the Climax engine Elite.